So suppose this is one sheet, this is one sheet, this is another sheet, this is sigma plus, this is sigma minus. So in between what is the electric field in the region between? So because of this it is E plus, because of this it is E minus, because outside positive and towards negative. So electric field will be sigma plus by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma minus by 2 epsilon naught. So it will become, sigma plus is 6.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 and plus 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. So you can do this calculation. So this comes out to be, you don't know, 11.1 into 10 to the power 6 upon, So 6.3 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. So the such simple questions are also asked.